Now, on a big step to ease pressure of the COVID testing labs, as we've been saying again and again, testing is the most important element as far as the fight against COVID-19 is concerned. The ICMR has now approved home testing kits for people that can, in fact, immediately give you test results at the comfort of your house. This is for people, those who are suspecting COVID-19 or they have certain symptoms. They can now avail this facility, buy this home testing kit and check whether they are suffering from COVID-19 or not. Take a look.
Now you can take a test for COVID-19 at home. The ICMR has approved a self-test rapid antigen kit, the first in India. Covishelf COVID-19 OTC antigen LF device is the first one to be validated by ICMR Labs. It is manufactured by MyLab Discovery Solutions Limited. India's top medical research body has given detailed guidelines for using the kit. This is a mobile app-based home testing kit, only advised for those who show symptoms of the coronavirus infection or those who are close contacts of lab-tested positive cases. ICMR warns against indiscriminate testing. All rapid antigen test negatives must go for RT-PCR if symptoms persist. All positives must consider themselves infected and take appropriate treatment.
The most important content is this manual. You start with this. It has got a very good pictorial description of how to use the kit in a very simple way. After washing your hands with soap and water and making them dry, you have to first remove the buffer tube. This is called the buffer tube. And you have to tap it a couple of times. And after doing that, you have to remove this cap. After removing the cap, you have to take this nasal swab and use the bottom end of the nasal swab and break it. And then you're ready to use the swab and buffer for the test. After using that, you can, you have to insert it 3 to 4 centimeters in both the nostrils and rotate it 5 times in each nostril. After doing that, you have to put this swab in the buffer tube, press it and move it 10 times. Once you've done that, there's a breakage point and you have to break the swab so that there's no contamination and seal it with the dropper that is attached to the buffer tube. After doing that, there's a testing cassette in this pouch, which you should have removed before the test. You have to take 2 drops of this in this well, and exactly 2 drops in this well. After you put 2 drops, you have to take a QR code of this cassette, and your test will start. Once
you need to have a smartphone with you.
Any Android or any Apple, any smartphone that's available, even a basic smartphone you can use for this.
But there are also some challenges. For an accurate test, a patient must swab deep in the back of the nose or throat where the virus is most active. A swab that's done shallowly could give negative results. People getting a test result at home may also react in unexpected ways compared with how they might handle the news when it comes from a doctor or a lab.
To use a home-based test kit for COVID-19, timing is key. Test at the right time will help you detect if you're COVID positive. An early test can give you a false negative and you could still infect others around you. Questions regarding the disposal of the biosafety hazard material as well as the infection material that will be generated in this are still not answered by the government. But could home-based testing kits be the solution to India's testing problem if people don't report that they have tested positive for COVID-19? With Pankaj Khelkar in Pune,